Good morning, it's Ruby and welcome to Vlogmas day 9. So today we are leaving Copenhagen. It's Sunday and we need to be out of the apartment in about half an hour. I'm going to give you a very quick apartment tour whilst we're here because it's such a beautiful apartment. I'm just packing at the moment, which is why things are a little bit messy. I'm just deciding whether to wear these shoes or these shoes, and I think I'm going to wear these even though they don't really go, just because it's easier to pack. Okay, so we're heading down literally now. Dad's going down, but I want to quickly give you a quick apartment tour. So this is one of the bathrooms. There are 2 bathrooms, and then this is the room that my parents had. It's just such a beautiful minimalist design. I love it. And then all of the wardrobes are in this corridor here. We didn't use these ones. The one that I used was this one. I left the door open. And then there's a picture of a car there. This is my room. And there is there are my towels as well. And there's a beautiful balcony out here too, which I didn't use because it was so cold. And Martha's room is in here. There's another bathroom in there, but I think my sister's in there. And then this is the kitchen. Here at the airport, we've got 2 hours before our plane.
We just had Burger King.
What did you have, Martha?
Onion rings. That's how you get all the guys. Wink, wink. A milkshake, an Oreo milkshake.
And some curly fries.
Yes.
They were Dad's, but we ate some of them, so I had some curly fries. Mom had chicken and Dad had a massive burger.
He was like, "I'll just have a double Whopper, please."
And he got curly fries for himself, but then we ended up eating them. Side. Martha, it has to be up there.
That's why I was
going.
I'm putting that in my job.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
Sorry, let's make it.
Martha's clawing after the camera so she can have a shout out.
Don't tell them. Not being biased or anything, but I think you should check out Martha's channel.
And there's another really good channel which you should check out if you want to look more into our trip to Copenhagen. Which channel was that, Martha?
Shots are on my channel.
She had the windows seat. So I'm currently FaceTiming Rue. We've just been chatting about, what have we been chatting about? Like just basically loads and loads and loads of stuff. Okay, so it's currently 8:10. I was just video chatting Rue. So there were 5 winners for the anti-bullying song competition and Rue was one of them. So for each of the winners I am video chatting them, getting to know them a little bit before I write them a letter and send them a personalised book recommendation. And it was just so lovely to chat with Rue. She was so lovely, so inspiring as well as a person. Well, I've made some dinner. I'm just going to quickly heat it up a bit and then I'm going to eat. And then I'm going to do a little bit of work, but I'm not going to do that much. It's 8 o'clock already and I want to kind of get into bed by 9:30, so I'm going to do some work, get an early night so I can start work earlier tomorrow. Today and yesterday's vlog have been just so boring. I just haven't been vlogging. I'm so sorry. But nonetheless, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and have a productive week.